All right, welcome to the Explainer. Today we're going to talk about something you probably say all the time without even thinking about it, the hidden power of a single word. But let's start with a crazy question.
I mean, really think about that. What if you had to boil down everything you say to just 850 words? Which ones make the cut, right? Which words are such heavy hitters that they can do the job of like 10 different words?
So this isn't just some random brain teaser. It's actually a real thing. It's called the Basic English 850 list, and it's a set of words picked out to make communication super clear, especially for people all over the world. The words on this list, man, they were chosen because they're total workhorses. They're like the fundamental Lego bricks of our language.
And today, we're going to zoom in on just one of those 850 words. And that word is solid. I know it sounds kind of simple, maybe a little dull even, but trust me, there's a really good reason it's on that VIP list.
So, what's the big deal? Why is this word so important? Let's dig in and see why solid got the call up.
Okay, first things first, let's look at how we use it most of the time, as a way to describe things, as an adjective. This is where solid really starts to flex its muscles.
You know the most obvious one, right? When something's hard, it keeps its shape. You can knock on it, like when water freezes solid. Boom. It's not a liquid anymore, it's a thing. Super simple, we all get that.
But check this out. The meaning starts to shift a little. Here, with this traffic jam, solid doesn't just mean hard. It means there are no gaps, no spaces. It's all about being complete, one continuous thing. See that? It's a small change, but it's a big deal.
And now, it gets even cooler. The word jumps into the world of ideas. Solid as a rock. We're not just talking about being hard anymore. We're talking about being reliable, dependable, good. We've gone from a physical thing to a quality, an idea. That chair isn't just physically hard, it's conceptually strong.
So let's recap. We've got one word, one adjective that can talk about something being hard, having no gaps, being super reliable, and even being pure, like solid silver. Now that is some serious efficiency. And that's how you get yourself on an exclusive list of only 850 words.
And this just nails it down, right? On one side, you have hard and firm, on the other, soft and hollow. That contrast just perfectly shows you the core idea of solid. It's about being substantial, complete, and strong. No fluff.
But wait, there's more. Solid isn't just a word for describing stuff. It can actually be the stuff. Let's check out how this adds another layer to the whole thing.
When we use it as a noun, a solid is just one of the basic states of matter, right? It's not a liquid, not a gas, it's simple, it's scientific, and you can totally see how it's linked back to that first meaning of just being hard. Ice is a solid. A table is a solid. The word literally names the very idea it's describing. So cool.
Okay, so we've seen solid as a description and as an actual thing. Now, let's put it all together. Time to answer the big question. What makes this word so darn essential?
And here's the magic. This is why solid is such a powerhouse. It's got a bunch of different meanings, but they're all connected. It can switch jobs from adjective to noun, no problem. And this is the big one. It connects the physical world, solid gold, with the world of ideas, like solid evidence. It's like a Swiss Army knife of words.
So what's the bottom line here? It's this. Some of the most powerful tools we have in our language are hiding right in front of us. They're the simple words we use every day.
I mean, that's the genius of a word like solid, right? That's why it's on the list. It just goes to show you the best words aren't always the fancy, complicated ones. Nope. They're the ones that can do a lot of different jobs, that are super clear, and that can take you from a really simple concept to a much bigger idea. So I'll leave you with this to chew on. If you had to make your own list of essential words, what would be on it? What are those simple, powerful, solid words that you use to build your whole world? Something to think about. Thanks for hanging out with us on The Explainer.